Hello student, welcome back to our MICE Planning Event series. Today we'll continue with Chapter 5, Site Selection and Venue Management in MICE events. In this lesson, we'll explore how choosing the right site and managing the venue effectively are critical to the success of any MICE event. We'll discuss the key factors to consider in site selection, such as accessibility, capacity, facilities, budget, and safety, as well as the responsibilities involved in venue management. So by the end of this chapter, you'll understand how careful planning and coordination in site and venue management can ensure smooth event operation and an excellent participant experiences. So let's get started with chapter 5, site selection and venue management in MICE event. The venue is more than just a physical space. It's a critical component of event planning. It affects the feasibility of the event, the overall attendee experience, and the final success. That's why selecting a venue requires a strategic and comprehensive evaluations. Our goal is to align the venue with both the event objectives and the audience needs. When selecting a venue, planner must consider the event objectives, the demographics of the target audience, the geographic location, budget constraints, and venue availability. Technical capabilities are also vital, especially in today's digital age where technology drives event engagement. When we say event objective, you must match venue with the purpose of the event. For example, it is seminar, trade for or incentive. For the target audience, you must consider the demographics, accessibility, and comfort needs. For the geographic location, you must ensure convenience, safety, and proximity to the transport and hotels. For the budget constraints, balance affordability with quality. Check for hidden costs, and for the venue availability, secure bookings early, especially in peak seasons. For the technical capabilities, ensure strong Wi-Fi, AV system, and tech support. The first step is understanding the event objectives. We must match the venue to the purpose. For example, a corporate seminar requires a professional and formal environment, while a trade show demands large floor space for exhibits. Incentive events, on the other hand, should have recreational amenities that motivate and reward participants. The audience profile guides many venue decisions. We must evaluate demographics, accessibility, needs, seating capacity, and the ambience of the venue. It is equally important to ensure the space is inclusive, meaning it can accommodate people of diverse background and abilities. Venues come in many forms: hotel, convention, resort, academic institution, and even unconventional spaces. Each type has a unique strengths and limitation, so the key is choosing the venue type that best supports your event goals. Budget is always a limiting factor. Aside from rental fees, we must analyze hidden expenses such as service charges, overtime fees, and equipment rentals. Comparing multiple venue options helps strike a balance between affordability and quality. Hotels are popular for MICE events because they offer integrated services, experienced staff, and convenient location. They're ideal to corporate meetings, product launches, banquets, and executive gatherings since everything from lodging to catering is available under one roof. Hotels are popular for MICE event because again they offer integrated services, experienced staff, and convenient locations. They're ideal for corporate meetings, again, product launches, banquet, and executive gatherings since everything from lodging to catering is available in one roof. Convention and exhibition centers are purpose-built for large-scale events. They provide modular spaces, advanced infrastructures, and high capacity. They are perfect for trade fairs, national conventions, and professional summit where thousands of attendees are expected. So before finalizing a venue, site inspection is crucial. So planners should check the appearance, space layout, technical facilities, catering services, logistic support, and safety measures. A physical visit ensures that venue truly matches the event needs. In technology is now at the heart of most events. Venue must have high-speed internet, modern audiovisual equipment, reliable sound system, and projection facilities. Availability of technical support staff is also essential to avoid disruptions during the event. So event also must be accessible to everyone. This means providing wheelchair, braille signage, and especially seating areas. Accommodation should also cater to diverse needs. Inclusive designs ensure that no one or no attendee feels excluded. Sustainability is a growing priority. Planners should look for venues with green building certification, energy efficient system, or waste management practices and eco-friendly catering. This not only reduce environmental impact but also enhance the event's reputation. So for the contracts protect both the client and the venue. Important clauses include rental terms, inclusions and exclusions, payment structures, liability, and cancellation policies. Clear agreements prevent misunderstanding and disputes later on. So, once the venue is selected, logistics must be carefully planned. This include creating detailed timelines, coordinating with vendors, arranging staff, enforcing security, and preparing troubleshooting strategies. Then, effective logistics ensures smooth executions. So in summary, the venue selection is strategic and multi-layered process. It requires comprehensive evaluation, alignment with event goals, considerations of stakeholders' needs, and balancing both practical and experiential factors. As well, chosen venue set the stage for event success. That concludes our discussion in Chapter 5, Site Selection and Venue Management in MICE Events. So thank you for listening. Do you have any questions or clarification before we end? If there are none, that will be all for our discussion today.